Making $10,000 a month and rebuilding your life is not hard. Let me explain right now. No gatekeeping. Well, my name is Coach Sam, and I teach men and women of all ages, no matter what age you are, 30, 40, 50, 60 years old, how to make money online. All you really need to make is about $333 per day. And in just a short month, you're going to be able to make $10,000. And in this video, I am going to give you the roadmap, and I'm going to show you exactly how that is possible. I have made over $600,000 in this past 30 days across all of my channels with one digital product per channel. So in this video today, I am going to let you guys know what my top digital product has been, what digital product it is, how you guys are going to make your own digital product, and how you're going to make $10,000 with this digital product in your very first month. Let's get into it right now. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it the simplest and easiest way possible so that you can have daily income every single day. Because when you have income, you have choices. You do not need a huge following. You do not need experience. You only need three things. One, your phone. Two, the social media platform YouTube. The same YouTube that you are using to scroll with and you're not making any money, we are going to change that in 2026. You guys, start these channels, put your digital product on this channel, and rebuild, transition, and change your life. And I'm going to tell you from experience, that is exactly what happened to me, and that is what's going to happen to you for 2026. What I want you guys to do is put the inspiration of the day, and the inspiration of the day is, in 2026, my transformation is coming. My transformation is here, because it is. So let's get right to the video, you guys, and I am going to show you exactly how to do this. And what I want you guys to do is like, share, and subscribe. This is going to be life-changing and transformative, okay? So, well, just a few years ago, I was at a job that I absolutely hated. I hated my job. Not because I hated my customers and my clients, but I hated getting up and having to go to a job. I hated to have to ask people time for PTO off. I hated all of that. I hated not having time for my family, and I hated not having time for myself or for vacation. I use these faceless channels and that one digital product to transform my whole entire life. In January 2024, I started my first faceless channel, and I put this one digital product on there. And I'm going to tell you exactly what the channel is. I started a faceless budgeting channel. Yes, I started a faceless budgeting channel, you guys. I took what I knew as a single mom and as a head of household to create that one digital product and allow it to sell for me forever. To this day, it is still selling on my faceless channel. So I am going to show you guys in here exactly how to start a budgeting channel, a motivational channel, a kids channel. You guys, these channels do so well on social media. But today we're going to start with that budgeting channel, because I know a lot of you guys are head of households. A lot of you guys know how to stretch a dollar. Take your expertise. I want you to put that in a digital product, and I want you to link it to a faceless channel, because guess what? You make more money on faceless channels than you would showing your face. It's weird, but it works, okay? So what we're going to do, you guys, is we are going to go to the 7,000 digital products. You guys, this is included within my program. You guys, I have a whole program dedicated to beginners, showing you guys how to start your faceless channels from scratch. You guys, not only are you going to get this, but when I tell you guys that I built you guys a business in a box, I mean it. So not only are you going to get your digital products already pre-made for you, but you're also going to get your content. You guys, it's the 6 to 7 second content that will completely blow your channel up so that you're able to make your money and go about your business, rebuild your life, okay? So what we're gonna do, you guys, we're gonna go down to the 7,000 digital products, and I'm gonna show you guys right here, right now, which of these products has made me over $100,000 in just this month alone. And when you say, oh, Coach Sam, I am going to show you the proof right here, you guys. So let's go to the budget and financial planner. So this is included in that program. And I created this for all of my beginners. If you're new to YouTube and you want to make some money, this is what's going to do it for you. I sell this on my faceless channel for $50 a pop. $50 a pop. And y'all, this is still doing the job for me. So when I tell y'all, jump into this, it is never too late to start a faceless channel. Put the digital product on there and rebuild your life, okay? So what we're gonna do, you guys, because we have to make this look like ours, we are going to go here. We're going to go to templates and we are going to go to ebook covers, okay? Once we get over here to ebook cover, I want you to pick out a really good ebook cover for your business. Whatever your business is, you're able to go ahead and pick out an ebook cover. And like I said, you can do this on Canva. Canva makes it so easy, but you can also do this on the free version of Canva as well, okay? So what we're gonna do is we are going to pick out we're gonna pick out an ebook cover with a picture inlet. And I'm gonna show you how simple and how easy it is to brand this to your business, especially if you're starting that faceless budgeting channel. Y'all, that was the first channel I started. I made over $26,000 with that channel. So start it, okay? So what we're gonna do is, like I said, we're gonna pick out the ebook cover that best fits my brand. And you guys, my brand is pink. I am a pink girl, okay? I'm a pink girl. So let's go here. Let's go to coaching ebook covers and let's see what they got for us. Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Now, this is one that I use across all of my faceless channels and across all of my ebooks because it is branding. It looks like it comes from me. And like I said, I want it to look like it comes from your brand, okay? So what we're gonna do is we are just going to replace this page. Once we replace this page, the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to replace this picture. We're going to go to uploads and I want you to pick out a really good photo of yourself, okay? A very good photo of yourself. So the photo, it does not have to be a professional photo. You can use any photo. I do not want you guys wasting time trying to figure out what photo to pick. So once we do that, we are going to go to the photo. We're going to attach this photo in here in the box and we are going to replace it with ours, okay? Yes, honey. And I don't like that brown, so this is what we're going to do because my colors are mostly pink, okay? They're like a light little pastel pink. Yeah, okay? So now that you have your ebook, and you guys, that took literally only 5 minutes. That took 5 minutes. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to go here to share. We're going to download this. And after we download this, we are going to link it to our channel. Once you're able to link it to your channel, and you guys, your channel should be full of faceless content. In fact, I'm going to show you some of the faceless content that is in my program. When I tell you guys, I built y'all a business in a box. I built you guys a business in a box so that you guys can start immediately, so that you can start rebuilding to the life that you want to live, so that you can make money anywhere in the world. So if you wanted to leave the US, you are 100% able to. Y'all, we are rebuilding from divorce. We're rebuilding from taking care of our aging parents. We are rebuilding our finances from job loss. We are rebuilding our lives in 2026. And I want you guys to put that in the comment section. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the content, you guys. We're going to go to the content. And you guys, like I've told you before, content is king. The content that makes my channel go viral every single day. It is not the big long form content, you guys. It is the 6 to 7 second reel. So that's why in the program, I have included your content already. You do not have to think about what you're going to post. You do not have to spend endless hours trying to figure out how to film the angles. All you need to do is get the program and post. And not only does that program include our community, where all you have to do is put your YouTube or TikTok name in there. There's over 2,000 of us. All you have to do is share the name. We like, we follow, and we subscribe so that you're able to get monetized within the first 2 weeks, you guys. We have had so many people get monetized from that program. It is absolutely amazing. If you are on this channel today, just know your transformation is on its way. Just know that it is coming. And also, I have included in that program, we have our mentorship meetings every single Sunday. So if you need help on anything, not only does the whole community come out and we show love to each other, but we also learn. I teach you guys how to put those channels up, what time to put the channels up, and if there are any hiccups, I am going to help you get your channel up and off the ground. Like I said before, this is super duper simple and super duper easy. So all you have to do is put this content out there, this viral content out there, let it do its job. You guys, we are not selling on these channels. What we're doing is putting out useful content and letting that content bring us back the buyers, okay? We are not here to play. We are here to win. We are here to rebuild. Like, share, and subscribe, you guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. Just start. And I'm going to leave the link to my program below. I love you guys. Bye.